Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add snare in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with adding snare in our GarageBand tracks. So the first thing you want to do is to go right here and find the drums option. So as you can see, when scrolling the instruments, we can go ahead and get started with finding the drums right here. And this is our drums that we can now tap to open up. Before you do that, guys, you want to go ahead and choose what kind of drums you want to use by clicking the more sounds right option right here. And you have multiple options right here: electronic, acoustic, percussion, and so on. So you want to select those that are going to enable you to use the snare effect, whatever drums you want to use. And after doing so, click on done and open up the drums you want. So after opening up the drums, it's now going to open up this new recording menu, where as you can see at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording. And here are the drums. So guys, here you can get started playing. Clicking the button is going to start the recording process, and you can get started playing your drums, adding your snares, and so on. After finishing the recording, right here in the upper left corner, this middle button is going to open up this new edit mode where you can find all the tracks we have. As you can see here, I have my drum track, and now you have even more options for editing right here at the top of the screen. You have your sliders option that's going to open up plugins and equalizer, master effects, and so on. You also have your FX options and so on to get your desired effect for your snare roll and to add it successfully into your track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.